Hi everyone, my name is Abel Gray Kantoma. I'm from Greatest Card Design Concept. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number or you can call me. Okay, these are the list of softwares which are covered on our YouTube channel. We teach all of this on our Telegram platform as well. Today I will be showing you how to actually create an assembly in your civil 3D software. Let's jump right into it. Okay, but before then I did not actually complete this profile. You can see this is actually the existing profile which we got from our alignment. Okay, this is the profile for our horizontal alignment and the surface. Okay, now I'm going to be actually providing a design for this. Okay, so what I will do is just to come to my profile creation, create profile, profile creation tool, sorry, come down to my profile. I'll create surface profile creation tool. Okay, and then I'll click on this and then I'll give this a name. Let's say propose profile, new road. Okay, design speed. Okay, all of this I'll leave it as it is. I'll click on OK. I'll come here, click on this drop down. I have draw tangent with curve. Click on that. Now this is actually where my road is actually starting from 0 here. You can see some undulations here. I'm just going to take this thing straight here. Take that again. Sorry, I made a mistake. Profile creation tool. Propose. Profile. New road. Okay. Tangent with curve, so I'm going to be very more careful this time around. Okay, let's say I drop this here. Okay, I want my road to go on a gradual slope like this, so I'll drop this here. So I'll click on OK. I right click or enter. Okay, now you can see telling us the height, the elevation, okay, the station. Okay, now you can see the slope 1.02% here. Let's see the slope here, 1.09%. Here is 0.84%. You can see we are actually at station 2 plus 352. Okay, this is the elevation for this station. Okay, now as you can see, we don't really have enough data here. I'm going to be adding my cut and fill so as you will have the data for your cut and then the data for your fill. Okay, you'll be able to know the volume that you cut and then the volume you fill. Okay, so what we'll do right now is to come to our profile view. Now click on the profile itself and then come to profile view properties. Okay, click on that, and then you can see the information. The information we are having here now is for the existing new road. Okay, but you know, we just provided a propose where we want, how we want that road to be. Okay, so here on our band you can see select band style. I'm going to add both my cut and my fill. I can add elevations and stations. Okay, I can add the land, all this informations can be added to that profile, but I want to add my cut and fill information to that. So I will add my cut, new road surface. Okay, so the cutting we are going to the information for the cut is for the new road surface, and you know, the new road surface is more like the existing surface. Okay, so I'll click on that, and then here click on this drop down again. I'm going to add my fill as well. Then you can see the fill is actually going to give me is for the new road surface, like the existing one too. Okay, so that means the information for the proposed is not shown here. So the next thing I will do here, let's apply and click on OK. I just want to show you something briefly here. Now you discover all the informations here at 0000. Okay, you can see 000. Everything here is actually 0. Okay, so there is no information for that. What this means is that all the information for our cut and fill that we can see here is actually for the existing new road. You can see even by hovering my mouse around this fill cut, you can see the name here. You can see style, profile view, name, existing new road. Okay, so what I need is for the propose. Okay, so still highlighted, I'll go to profile view properties, and then here the first profile we created was the new road profile, which is the existing, and then the second profile is actually for the propose. Okay, so this is going to be proposed. Okay, here I'm going to make this propose, here I'm going to make it propose. So I'm going to have both the existing and the proposed all in one profile. So you're going to see where we are going to be cutting and where we are actually going to be filling. Okay, so here I'm going to include my hash and my fill on my profile. You're going to see that in this. So if I click this, I have added this, and I'm going to click this to add this as well. Now if you look at this here, you will see the upper boundary is actually going to be for the existing one, and then the down lower boundary is actually going to be for the proposed. Okay, same thing for your fill as well. You're going to see the upper boundary that's the hashing, okay, for propose, and then the lower is for the new road. So but you can actually interchange that if you want to. So I'll click on apply, and then I'm going to click on OK. Now you discover that that change has actually taken effect. Now you can see what we have here. So you see even the colors are actually different. So you will see where we are actually filling and where we are cutting. So we are going to be filling here. We are going to be filling this portion, and then we are going to cut here. And then, okay. So look at the informations for our cut here. You can see at generate 0 plus 0 0, it's actually 0, and then when you move to change 25, you will see where we are filling. We are filling at change 25 0.27, at change 50 0.54. okay, it moves like that. And then when you come here, you discover where we are cutting 0.24. okay, so these are the informations for our cut and fill. Okay, if you already love what you're seeing, make sure that you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. It's actually free. Click on the bell icon so as to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, so as to encourage as many that actually wants to have a deeper insight of design. Okay, but today our main target is actually to come up with an assembly. Okay, on the previous episode of this tutorial, we treated profile. Okay, I'm just trying to give a more detail about our profile. On this we'll go into assembly. All we'll do is just to go to assembly. You can see assembly here, and then you click on create assembly. Okay, so I'm going to give this assembly a name, new road assembly. Okay, and then I'm going to click on OK. So I'll drop my assembly here. Now I'll click either by the left or the right of this. Once I click, or any part of this assembly, if I click, you see this called create corridor. Okay, so I'll sorry about that. That is very wrong. Okay, sorry, I'm not creating a corridor, please. Tool palette. I'll click on tool palette. Okay, we'll be treating corridor on our next episode. Now if you come to your tool palette, you can see here we have daylight, basic, daylight, let's come to basic lane transition. Okay, so let me switch it back to our daylight. So from here you can even choose for shoulders, generic, you can see for bridge and rail, for rehab, for retaining wall, for trench pipes. Okay, so you can see for trench. Okay, for example, you want to design maybe like a canal, like a drainage. Okay, so let's go back to our lanes. Okay, So I'm going to be using let's say our basic lane, and then I will click on this side, or if I click on this side you will see that appear, and then you see the properties for this has actually popped up here. Now from here you can adjust the width of your lane, you can adjust the depth. Okay, the depth is actually 200 millimeter, okay, which is 0.2 meters, and then you can see the width, and then it's actually by the right hand side, which I just placed that lane, and then you see the slope, which is minus 2.00%. I can adjust all of these and it will take effect here immediately. Okay, and then I'm going to add another lane, and then for my left hand side, sorry, I'll add a lane here. I'll make this left. Okay, so this is it about our assembly. So we just created an assembly for this. On the next episode we are going to be creating a corridor for this. Okay, so make sure that you stay safe and make sure that you stay blessed. I'm going to leave this. Let me move this to somewhere closer to what I have in existence. Just want to move it closer here. Okay, so you have a better understanding once we go into the corridor. Okay,